Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went on coupons.com to see if there's any new coupons, and guess what? They actually added quite a bit. So I'm here to share with you guys what new coupons they just put on the website. Now remember, I always print my coupons from Swagbooks because I get a point for every coupon that I print, and then for every coupon that's redeemed, you get 25 points. So that's free money, so I save my money up for Christmas. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that, but I'm just going to kind of skip through the ones that I went through yesterday. But they did add $1.50 off Crunch Master Brownie Thins. I'm not going to print those off because I haven't seen any good deals for those yet, and I haven't even seen them in public, so I don't need to buy it or print them if I haven't seen them. But they have the Crunch Master Veggie Crisp that they just uploaded. Here we got the regular Crunch Master. I will be doing that. They added a 55 cents off Little Smokies. They had the $2 off Playtex Baby Liners, the L'Oreal Paris Inflatable Foundation or Concealer if you guys are interested in something that way. They also have the Playtex Cups, which I like because there's some really good deals that I can find with those sometimes. They added another Crunch Master coupon, but then they also have another Crunch Master coupon. But this one says available at Whole Foods, this one says available at Walmart. Doesn't really matter, they'll both work at either place. But yeah, and then I just kind of scrolled down to see what other coupons there was, and these are all the ones that are from the past or yesterday that I didn't print off, but I still wanted to share with you guys. You guys can check this out, but I just wanted to explain or show you guys the new coupons to print. Here, that Neutrogena Lipper Eye, I didn't print that off apparently yesterday, so I'm going to print that off. And then these are the ones that I printed yesterday. So just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print, and I'll see you guys all later today for a Walmart, possibly Target haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.